I2T-ASL, as in into text, to American Sign Language. Artists can have the tendency to address social causes in their works. There's also a recent emergence of having AI text-to-image generators create images for the notion of artistic practice. This team of artists and computer scientists on this team acknowledge the deaf community, for this project seeks to reduce inequality and increase the well-being for the deaf community. Through this website, we have an image-to-text AI program that currently interprets the numbers 1 through 9 in American Sign Language. As an outlet for the deaf community, we seek to show how their signals can be expressed by an AI program through text and art.
All right, this web app was built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with the library TensorFlow. These images were created with Stable Diffusion, taking the classification and then plugging in Stable Diffusion to get the image. Challenges that we ran into was using Google's Teachable Machine. It took a lot of tries to get it to work. A lot of times it had inaccurate results. And the most difficult part about it was determining the best hyperparameters to use to make sure that the results are accurate. The compliments that we're proud of, our most proud of compliment of was training our own model and making it work with TensorFlow.
So I'm going to be doing a demonstration. This is the start page. We started by clicking this button. It'll prompt for the webcam. Waiting a little bit. So now the webcam is here. So what will appear once I start doing these signs to the webcam is 4 images. Those 4 images correlate to the American sign for the number the model deems to have the highest prediction. These images were created through Stable Diffusion by using the prompt of American Sign Language with the number. So I'll start by demonstrating. We start with 1, there's 2, there's 3, it's like this, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are all the numbers that we have. But as you could see, each one had their own 4 images that were available to look at, explore, take in.
All right, what we learned was how to make an image classifier model. We learned how to integrate it into a web app, and we took the predictions from the image classifier and used it in another model. So what's next for I2T-ASL? For the future, we plan on making a better image model with the whole alphabet and sign phrases. Also, we want to have a more streamlined way of generating artwork through an image-to-text API.